had to go very far from who I am to be and become Bajirao.
Taking this forward, question ahead, what all physical training you had to get through? Because it must have been a really tough task.
It was very physically demanding film. We've shot it for almost over a year now, and the thing is, there are different types of physicalities that you see Bajirao over a course of time in the film. So his physicality is a certain way, and then some time on screen passes, and you see a completely different physicality. So to do a little bit of transformation in that sense required some work. Also, to be he's a real tough guy. You know, hard eating, hard drinking. He's at war most of the time. So this is very intensive physical work. Acting in front of the camera on set is also very physically draining. So resting, rejuvenating for the next day of shoot was very important. I broke my shoulder during the course of the shooting of the film. Many few injuries here and there. So in all, a very physically demanding film, but more than that, an emotionally demanding film. But I'm glad it is that, because it's a part that I could really sink my teeth into, that I had a lot to do to portray Bajirao, and I'm very happy. I was very ready for it as an actor, and I'm really happy that I got this chance to play this amazing character.
And something that you take back from your character.
Um, I think I've probably playing Bajirao has completely changed me as a person, and particularly as an actor. Everything I've learned, I had to summon. Everything I learned, I had to unlearn. Um, when I watch the film, I haven't yet. I'm sure I'll be seeing and witnessing things for the first time, because when I'm performing it, I'm only feeling it. I'm not going to the monitor to watch it or anything. So it's changed me as an actor. I've learned a lot, like I mentioned. Um, and yeah, it's made me a stronger person. There was a lot of adversity that I had to overcome during the course of the shooting of the film, in order to get the film made. And that's made me a stronger and wiser person.
Hi Ranveer. Hi. Uh,
हेलो.
Hello.
कैसी हैं आप मैडम?
बस जी एकदम ठीक ठाक.
काले चश्मे जो आपने पाए हैं.
Oh my god.
Oh hi. आप हो? Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good man.
Yeah.
हाँ जी. मुझे आंख
पहन
लग गई
रखा
है.
है.
आप इतनी लाइट मार रहे हैं, मैं कुछ दिखेगा नहीं तो मैं निकाल दूं तो.
अच्छा रणवीर ये बताइए
मैं
कि
निकालूंगा तो वो लुक आ जाएगा, मैं बाजीराव बन जाऊंगा. चलेगा? बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है.
में घुस गया. रणवीर ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे आप पूरे कैरेक्टर में घुस चुके हो. और 18 दिसंबर इस दिन दिल वाले भी रिलीज हो रही है. एक तरफ किंग खान है तो दूसरी तरफ है बाजीराव. तो कितना नर्वसनेस है या किस तरह की फीलिंग है?
नर्वसनेस तो इस बात की है कि लोग बाजीराव को देखकर कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे. लाइक आई सेड, 1 साल के ऊपर हमने इसकी शूटिंग की है. भंसाली साहब 12-15 साल से ये पिक्चर बनाना चाहते थे. अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क, लॉट ऑफ हार्ट, लॉट ऑफ ब्लड, स्वेट एंड टीयर्स हैज गॉन इनटू द मेकिंग ऑफ द फिल्म. पूरे दिलो जान से पूरी टीम ने बनाई है. तो नर्वसनेस इस बात की है कि समथिंग दैट वी ऑल कलेक्टिवली हैव इन्वेस्टेड सो मच इनटू, how will people react to it? Ultimately, we've made it for the audience, to try and give them something memorable, a cherished experience in the watching of Bajirao. So yeah, we're nervous about how people will react to our film.
Hi, Ranveer. First of all, I would just want to say that the poster looks amazing.
Thank you, यार किसी ने तो बोला. Hi, so sweet of you.
Okay, secondly, your on-screen chemistry with Deepika looks crackling. And at the same time, the other couple on-screen chemistry of Deepika and Ranbir is also appreciated. And they are said to be the next SRK and Kajol of Bollywood. So how do you react to this?
Yeah, I think SRK and Kajol are SRK and Kajol, Ranbir and Deepika, Ranbir and Deepika. You know, each pairing has its own appeal, its own charm, and its own legacy. So I don't think it's right to compare actors or pairings of actors in that sense.
Well, recently at Tamasha's launch, it was Karan Johar who asked Deepika, whether Deepika looks hotter with Ranveer or Ranbir. So at that, she said that her dil isn't mushkil. So what do you think?
What do I think about what precisely, first of all? Who does she look hotter with? Me, obviously. God, यार ये भी कोई सवाल हुआ? Come on, यार.
Hi, Ranveer.
आपने सुना नहीं? बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है.
वाओ
आपको पता ही होगा कि ये एक्चुअल लोग थे, पेशवा बाजीराव और मस्तानी, और 1700s में उन्होंने एक्चुअली जिया था. दे आर एक्चुअल पीपल. तो उन्होंने रियल लाइफ में मोहब्बत की थी और अय्याशी ने.
Hi,
ओके
hi Ranveer. Ranveer over here.
इसके लिए तो इसके ऊपर हमने पे एक 2.5 घंटे की पिक्चर बना दी मैडम. मैं क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ जब ये किसी और से बात कर रही है. देखिए. सॉरी.
Hi Ranveer.
हाँ जी.
Ranveer, you know, you have been shooting for Bajirao Mastani since a long time, and in the due course of time, another period film, Bahubali, released.
Oh yeah.
So, and you know that raised the standard in terms of period drama. So, do you see that as a positive for the film because people have started accepting period drama, or do you see that as a negative because we have?
Well, a few things about Bahubali. First of all, I loved it. I was blown away by the visual effects and the action in it. Bahubali, I think people have always been accepting of period dramas. They've been very kind to period dramas. I think they lend to what our audiences like traditionally. A lot of color, a lot of splendor, a lot of music, a lot of grandeur. So people have always been kind to the genre. Yes, Bahubali did raise the bar in terms of visual effects and what it was able to do with it. I really love Mr. Rajamouli as a director, one of my favorites. I think, but what I can tell you is Bahubali is very, very different from Bajirao Mastani. Bahubali, you could say, is a dramatic action movie. Ours is a dramatic romance. You know, it's a love story. It focuses on the personal life. It focuses on the emotions, on the drama. Yes, it has a lot of action. Yes, we do have a lot of visual effects, but they aren't the core and the driving force of our film. It is the interpersonal relationships and the drama that lies at the core of Bajirao Mastani. So they're very, very different films. But yes, I do see the wide acceptance of Bahubali as a very positive sign for us as well.
All right,
And
last
another
two
thing,
questions, ladies and
another
gentlemen.
thing, the poster is out, so when can we expect the trailer to be out?
That you'll have to ask Mr. Bhansali. He's on stage 3 if you want to find him.
हाय रणवीर रूना एक तो आपका आज का लुक मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thanks. किसी ने तो बोला. कोई तो कुछ बोल दे यार.
एक अभी जब कंपैरिजन या फिर कहीं टक्कर की बात होती है डेट को लेकर कि 18th है, तो वहीं पर एक कंपैरिजन नोइंगली अननोइंगली ये भी हो रहा है कि सलमान ने हाल ही में कहा है.
Can you repeat the question, madam?
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't hear.
No,
Couldn't hear.
that's 18th को लेके जहाँ पे डेट्स के क्लैश की बात हो रही है,
जी.
वहीं पर ये भी बात हो रही है कि सलमान ने हाल ही में कहा कि उनको बहुत दुख है कि उन्होंने बाजीराव मस्तानी की नहीं या कर नहीं पाए. आपको लगता है ये एक थोड़ा सा चैलेंज होगा आपके लिए, क्योंकि उनका इमेज, उनका लव या उनके लिए जो दर्शकों का प्यार है, उसकी जगह वो शायद आपको देखेंगे?
No, I know all too well that Salman sir was supposed to be the original Bajirao. But I've really worked hard to play Bajirao on screen, and I hope I can make him proud.
One more
All right, last question.
One more question, that is बाजीराव मस्तानी मराठाओं के